Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for tutorials, tech tips, and open source software guides. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the pfSense Community Edition image, step by step, from the official Netgate website. If you're not familiar with pfSense, it's an open source firewall and router software based on FreeBSD. It's incredibly powerful, secure, and free to use, perfect for home labs, small offices, and even enterprise networks. Downloading the pfSense Community Edition image is straightforward. Go to the official Netgate pfSense download page. Click on Downloads. Click on Download. You'll notice there's no longer a need to choose between pfSense Community Edition and pfSense Plus. There's now a single image available, and you can install either edition from it during setup. When downloading pfSense, you'll typically come across a few different image types. Each is designed for a specific installation method or hardware platform. ISO installer, CD image, used for installing pfSense on a physical computer or virtual machine using a CD, DVD, or ISO file. And USB memstick installer, used for installing pfSense on physical hardware using a USB flash drive. Click on the Checkout button. If you already have an account, simply log in. If not, go ahead and create one. Fill in your details and create your account. Now just click the download button and the pfSense ISO image will begin downloading. The file is usually around 300 to 600 megabytes depending on the type. And that's it, you've now got the pfSense Community Edition image file ready for installation. In the video description, they are videos on how to install it on VMware or VirtualBox, and make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. See you in the next video.